हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक योर ओन यूट्यूब चैनल योर ओन पाठशाला ज्योतिशाला। तो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आशा करती हूँ आप सभी अच्छे ही होंगे और अपनी पढ़ाई जोर शोर से कर रहे हो। टुडे आई एम एट ब्लॉसम कैंपस एंड दिस इज द स्टोरी टाइम। टुडे इज द 17th एपिसोड ऑफ द स्टोरी महाभारत। लेट्स प्रोसीड विद द स्टोरी. Those who are new to my channel, please like and share with your friends. And yes, if you have not subscribed to my channel up till now, then what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe to my channel right now. And do let me know in the comment section as to what kind of videos you would like me to upload it for you. Let's proceed with the Mahabharata story and the 17th episode. The way to the indestructible Brahman. Brahman, Atma and action. Arjun did not quite understand what Krishna had said about Brahman, the individual soul, Atma and action. So he wanted to know more about these realities. Krishna said, Brahman is supreme and indestructible, and as Atma resides in all beings, Brahman is all powerful, is present everywhere and knows everything. One should glorify him at all times, even when leaving the world. One who at the time of death thinks of God is united with him. Whatever a man thinks of at the final moment, that he becomes, for that is the thought most important to him. The spirit of Karma Yogi. Krishna reminded Arjuna of his immediate duty, which was to fight. One who performs his duty in the spirit of Karma Yogi attains bliss. He said, the way to reach it is to firmly believe in God and meditate on the word Om and go on doing it. This is the only way to salvation. Such a yogi is released from the cycle of life and death and reaches the pure Brahman. All others are reborn again and again. Brahman. Krishna said that Brahman's days and nights are very long. In the course of a day and night of Brahman comes about the beginning and end of the world, and the cycle goes on. Brahman is eternal. Brahman is not destroyed when the universe is destroyed. Brahman, which is the imperishable, great unknown, is the final destination for all. This is the God's abode. This is God's abode, from which there is no return. There is no rebirth for those who have attained Him. Explaining further about life and death, Krishna said, some come to the end of life. While on the path of light, they experience Brahman. This leads them on the straight path of salvation. There are others who die when there is darkness all around. There is no salvation for them. They are reborn. These two paths are eternal, and the yogi, knowing them, attains the supreme eternal stage through steady discipline. So this is all about in today's Mahabharata story. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye. And yes, of course, क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. Bye bye.